Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use DeepSeek AI in your mobile phone. So let's get started. So in the Play Store you're just going to search for DeepSeek, and if you are using iOS, just go in your iPhone to the App Store and search for DeepSeek. You'll be getting the first one, DeepSeek AI Assistant, and literally 1 million people have already downloaded it. Just click on install. So just open it and click on agree, and here you can log in by using your email or phone number or directly by using the Gmail. So once you are done signing in, you'll be getting an interface like this, which is quite similar to ChatGPT, and they have two models. Okay, one is the V3 model and another one is the R1 model. So the R1 model is the most powerful model of DeepSeek. So let me just go and ask a question with DeepSeek. I'm just going to ask what model are you using, and here you can see DeepSeek is saying DeepSeek V3, and if I click on this DeepThink R1 at the bottom, if you enable this, now the DeepSeek's R1 model will answer us. I'll just go and ask the same question. So here you can see I'm getting DeepSeek R1 model, and the difference between V3 and R1 model is the R1 model thinks a lot, analyzes the answer and the response that it's going to give, and then only it gives the answer. For example, earlier at the top the V3 model directly gave us the answer, but after I enabled this DeepThink R1, it literally thought for 3 seconds and then only it answered my question. So it literally also gives the entire thought process as the response. If you want, you can just read it through. So in case if you are having a small doubt or question, I would recommend you to go with the normal V3 model. That is a normal search. If you have any complex problem like a mathematical or a research thing, I would recommend you to go with DeepThink R1. Just enable that. And you're also having the web search. You can just enable the search and ask. And if you want a new chat, you can just click on the top right. New chat will be enabled. And to the leftmost top, you'll be having the chat history. So this is how you use DeepSeek in your mobile phone, guys. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.